So the most benefic day of the week is Thursday. Any shubh thing, any good thing that is to be done, if you do it on a Thursday, regardless of date, time, place, and birth, your personal information, it still is going to have a good effect on you. Why? Because Thursday is ruled by the best benefic of them all, Jupiter. Jupiter represents temples, pilgrimage, religious thinking, your philosophies of life, the way you're being oriented to see the world, to see life, to see people. That's Jupiter. Jupiter is wisdom. So Mercury is intelligence. Okay, Mercury rules your academic intelligence, whereas Jupiter is the higher knowledge, higher wisdom, wherein you connect with the higher power, the spiritual powers. That's Jupiter. Jupiter is also the karak of wealth. It shows what kind of wealth you have in your life. It shows your children because it is the karak of children. It rules your bhagya, meaning your luck, and it rules your income. So all these things are seen by Jupiter. Jupiter is also the teacher, the guru. Any person who teaches may not necessarily be a Jupiter figure. Why? Because Jupiter is about higher learning. So if you're in India and if you have seen the movie Three Idiots, Ranchor Das Chanchar, the character played by Amir Khan, he wasn't Mercury teacher. Normally Mercury teachers are those people who teach you as per the course provided to them. Those are Mercury people. Those teachers are not Jupiter, they are Mercury. But the people who give you guidance of life, the way you need to live life, those are the teachers who are the real Jupiters. Meaning that they are the people who bring you from this level of material plane to the higher level of consciousness. So whenever you have good equations with your teachers, they are giving you good philosophies of life, they love you, they have an emotional connect with you, naturally you have a good Jupiter. But if your teachers don't like you, they always complain about you, naturally you have certain issues with Jupiter. And if you have a bad Jupiter in life or it is weak, you will suffer from the things that is given by Jupiter, which is you will not have good spiritual connect, you would not like part puja, meaning you would not like rituals of any religion. In fact, regardless of religions, you would not like mantras, mantra jap, chanting, reading spiritual scriptures, reading things of the higher knowledge if your Jupiter is bad or afflicted. If your Jupiter is also bad, Jupiter in a female chart rules the husband. So if your Jupiter is bad, you will not get a good husband, but if your Jupiter is very good, you will get a very nice husband. And since Jupiter rules bhagya, after marriage when the husband comes, your bhagya, your destiny will rise. Jupiter is a benefic planet, it is a planet of charity. So if you have a charitable nature, either you have a good Mercury or you have a good Jupiter, because both these planets are somewhere benefic, they are benefic and they represent charity. When you do things for people out of heart, with no ulterior motive, that is Jupiter. So if you see all these qualities in you, if you're not suffering in these parameters, naturally you have good Jupiter, and people with good Jupiter naturally rise higher than other people in terms of quality of life. Because Jupiter is the planet of wisdom and blessings. So if you have blessings, even if you have bad times, you will still be able to make across. If you have good times, if you have blessings of Jupiter, in those good times you can make the best of life. Hope you utilize this information that I have provided to you and are able to understand what Jupiter really is. Have a great day.